All right, check it out, gang, from Warmodern. We've got their all stainless steel burger press. If you enjoy cooking, especially if you enjoy grilling out or maybe making burgers on a skillet or anything like that, this is an easy upgrade to help you cook more evenly, faster. If you're not familiar with a burger press, simple design. It's an all-metal design to help speed cooking by evenly distributing heat as you're pressing down on the meat, as you're letting also gravity press down on the meat. It's keeping more of the surface in contact with the heating area, as well as allowing this all stainless steel to heat up a little bit so that the burger is being, or whatever meat you are doing, being heated on both sides simultaneously. Again, this is all stainless steel, so you're not having to worry about anything catching on fire or getting too hot or having different melting points or anything like that. All stainless steel design. That also means this is dishwasher safe and rust proof. Yes, you can clean it up with just some simple soap and water, or if you're like me and lazy, you can just toss it right in the dishwasher, cleans it up, and you are good to go. Overall, this is a simple kitchen upgrade. It's gonna make cooking just that much easier. If you're looking for a simple way to upgrade your own stuff, check this out. I think you're gonna love it.